Hello everybody. Today I'm going to start about the glycoside containing drugs like Senna, Indian Senna and Alexandrian Senna coming under Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 2 of Unit 2 in B Pharm 5th semester according to Pharmacy Council of India syllabus. So let me start about the Indian Senna. Synonym says Senna leaf, Senna की पत्ती, Tinevali Senna, Cassia Senna, Senifolium. About the biological source, it consists of dried leaflets of Cassia angustifolia family Leguminosae. Dried leaflets. About the characteristics of leaflets, they are yellowish green color, slight odor, mucilaginous, bitter in taste, 2.5 to 6 centimeter long, and 0.7 to 0.8 centimeter in width. Leaves are lanceolate, entire, apex is acute with spine at the top. Bases of the leaflets are asymmetrical. This is the significance of the leaflets. Asymmetrical with transverse lines more prominent on lower surface. About the chemical constituents, it contains mainly two anthraquinone glycosides because in my previous slides I have already discussed about the when I discussed the classification of glycosides. So first one was anthraquinone or anthracene glycosides. So here there are four drugs containing anthraquinone glycosides: Senna, rhubarb, cascara and aloes. So this Senna, Indian Senna or Alexandrian Senna, both this contains mainly two anthraquinone glycosides called as Senoside A and Senoside B. Both are stereoisomers of each other. The leaf also contains other anthraquinone glycosides in small amounts. They are Senoside C and D, Rein 8 glucoside, Rein 8 diglucoside, Aloimodin 8 glucoside, Anthron diglucoside, Rein, Camphorol, etc. It also contains phytosterol, mucilage, resin, myricyl alcohol, salicylic acid, chrysophenic acid and calcium oxalate. So these drugs, they are found in a very trace amount. Now we will discuss about the extraction of Senoside, because Senoside contain or Senoside A, B, C and D, they are the main active constituents. So we generally isolate these Senosides. So extraction of Senosides we will discuss. For commercial purpose, calcium Senosides, because this Senoside is available as calcium Senoside. For commercial purpose, calcium Senosides in different strengths are extracted for the purpose of stability of compounds. And this Senoside is existing or this is available as calcium salt of calcium Senosides. So that is calcium Senosides. The powder drug is either treated with 90% methanol or 80% acetone for 6 hours. In first stage, it is extracted or treated for 6 hours, then for 3 hours with cold water, which leads to an extract containing about 17 to 80% Senosides. So by this process of first stage, the powder drug is either treated with 90% methanol or 80% acetone for 6 hours, then for 3 hours with cold water, because after 6 hours it is again extracted with cold water for 3 hours, which leads to an extract containing about 17 to 18% Senosides. This method enables to extract about 62% of senocytes, because only it extracts about 62% of senocytes by this process. Again, by the use of solution of non-ionic surfactants and PEG, polyethylene glycol, in 70% ethanol, senocytes and other anthracene or anthraquinone derivatives can be extracted. For the isolation of senocytes, the use of non-polar synthetic resins with porous structure has also been proposed, but this is since it is a proposal, it has not been tested. More than 62% of senocytes extraction is almost not possible. Whenever the commercial purpose we do the extraction process for the for isolation of senocytes, only 62% of senocytes are being isolated by this process. Another method says the senna leaf powder is macerated with citric acid in methanol. Macerated with citric acid in methanol, followed by extraction with methanol toluene mixture and ammonia. This is the composition of the solvent, methanol toluene mixture and ammonia. The extract obtained is subjected to treatment with calcium chloride so as to get calcium salts of senocytes A and B. Without the application or treatment with calcium chloride, calcium salts of senocytes A and B cannot be obtained. About the chemical test for senna, Born-Dagger test is employed to know the presence of anthraquinone glycoside in senna leaves. I have already discussed about the Born-Dagger test in my last video or last one video about the description of the Born-Dagger test, how it is being done, and it is particularly for knowing the presence of anthraquinone glycoside or anthracene glycoside. So Born-Dagger test gives the positive result. Then uses of this senna, they are used as purgative in habitual constipation. It is an irritant purgative. It causes irritation in the stomach. Irritant purgative, when used alone, causes gripping effect on the intestine due to its resin or iodine content. To counteract this gripping effect, sometimes the drug is dispensed along with carbonatives like dill, cardamom, and antispasmodic agents like belladonna or hyoscyamus is administered. So it is a purgative, no doubt. It is a purgative in habitual constipation, but it causes gripping effect in the intestine. So in order to counteract the gripping effect, sometimes the drug is dispensed along with carbonatives and antispasmodic agents so that gripping effect can be minimized. Then I will discuss about the Alexandrian senna. It is another type of senna, Alexandrian senna. Synonym says Folia sennae, Cassia senna, Senna alexandriana. Biological source, it consists of dried leaflets of Cassia equitifolia, family Leguminosae. This is the difference of the species. Indian senna is Cassia angustifolia, but Alexandrian senna is Cassia equitifolia under the same family, that is Leguminosae. About the characteristics of the leaf, it resembles with Tinnevelli senna except these characters. Almost same with Indian senna except these characters. These senna are 2 to 4 cm long and 0.7 to 1.2 cm wide with ovate lanceolate shape. When you see the characteristics of the Indian senna, it is 2.5 to 6 cm long and 0.7 to 0.8 cm width. Leaves are lanceolate. But in case of Alexandrian senna, you see that it is ovate lanceolate shape. Margin is entire and curled. Base is more asymmetrical more pubescent and has a thin brittle texture, pale grayish green color. About the chemical constituents, all chemical constituents which are present in Alexandrian senna are same as that of Indian variety. Only the difference in the species and some differences in the characteristics of the leaves. The percentage of senosides is more as compared to Indian senna. So Indian senna, whatever senosides A, B, C and D content is less than the Alexandrian senna. In case of Alexandrian senna, the percentage of senoside is more. Uses same as that of Indian senna. So thank you for watching this video patiently. Thank you all. Then I will discuss in my next video about the glycoside containing drugs like aloes and bitter almond. Thank you.